The world of cooking is simply amazing once you discover it. Hospitality Academy is offering you 4 tips that will get you started on the road to culinary success in the kitchen if you're looking for easy ways to improve your cooking skills. Invest in some new kitchen utensils. You'll be shocked to see how much better your cooking abilities can get with the right kitchen utensils. So quit attempting to hack at those onions with an unsharpened knife and invest in some higher quality cooking tools instead. You'll save a lot of time and tears, and your culinary skills will improve dramatically. For starters, we recommend the following basic tools: stainless steel or cast iron frying pan, silicone or plastic spatula, sturdy cutting board, chef's knife, and a knife sharpening tool. Master the basics. To succeed in the kitchen, it is essential to learn the fundamentals of cooking so that when a recipe instructs you to sauté or braise an ingredient, your chances of creating a culinary masterpiece are not jeopardized by a lack of understanding. The best way to learn these basic skills is to watch YouTube tutorials and keep practicing. Enroll in a culinary course. The best way to learn these fundamental abilities is to enroll in one of our culinary programs. Advanced Diploma in Culinary Arts or online culinary course, where you will study skills like knife handling, poaching, and stock preparation. Interested in knowing more? Schedule a call with our admissions specialist. Even more seasoned cooks who enroll in this class are shocked to learn that they have been doing something wrong all along, or that there is just a simpler and more effective way to do things. Keep on practicing. Even the most famous master chefs didn't learn to cook in one day. Simply keep going, and you will start to notice some consistent progress, because anything worth learning requires a ton of practice. Even if you produce something you're not pleased with, just utilize it as a learning opportunity so that you may avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Don't be scared to experiment once you feel more comfortable using your fundamental cooking skills and a wider variety of ingredients. You might end up being the next legendary chef, next to Granta Chats, Thomas Keller, or Jean Georges Vongerichten. You've got this. Keep studying, keep growing, and keep reaching for your goals with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more student tips and discover how you can study and work abroad with Hospitality Academy.